Hey you guys, how's it going today? Welcome back to my channel. Very au naturel today because I have some super sweet fantasy tutorials planned after this video. But this is going to be a video on my Vistaprint haul because I'm so excited with all the stuff I got, and we're gonna touch briefly on building a brand for your small business. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I have to share, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, so before we dive into all the sweet things that I got from Vistaprint for my small business, I sell cosmetics, Lime Life by Alcone, which is professional makeup and skincare made in a direct sales type model. And so if any of you guys are watching this and you maybe are in a similar, you sell products or whatever, I just want to remind you guys that you guys are not that company. You are your own business, you're your own individual business, and so you're not, so for me, in my case, I'm not Lime Life by Alcone. I do make those products available to my clients and customers, but my business is Jami Swan Beauty. So that is my own, like that, if I had a brick and mortar store, that would be on my sign. Outside my store, Jami Swan Beauty, it would not be Lime Life by Alcone because I'm not that company. Lime Life by Alcone is that company. I just sell their products. So I have a background in cosmetology, and so when I was doing mainly hair in the salon, I carried Bedhead, Matrix, just to name a couple of the products. So that didn't make me Bedhead. I was not Bedhead. I was the salon. The salon name, the business, that was who we were, not Matrix, not Bedhead. You're not the products that you sell, you're your own individual business. And so kind of branding yourself in a unique way can be really fun because it lets you kind of express how you want to make your business different from the guy down the street selling the same exact products, because there's lots of hairdressers, lots of salons out there that sell the same products, but each person goes to a different salon because of their brand, their feel, like what they represent and what the people like about them. So you get to set yourself apart while selling these products. So that's really cool. So all of this stuff is kind of like my little jam, my little like what I'm kind of all about as I am making these products available to my customers. So I hope that makes sense, and I'm just gonna stop talking and show you all the goods. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna start off with my business cards, you guys, because they are so flippin' pretty. So a little bit of branding on me is I love black and white and gray and beige. Love the neutrals, you guys. Really exciting that way. And that is kind of like where Lime Life by Alcone, they kind of have the same thing. So I was drawn to them because of their whole like aesthetic and their products, and just everything is like me. So mine is kind of like a twist off of that because they are very like black and white based. And so these are my business cards. So this is, hang on, I don't know if it'll focus. There we go. So that is the back. So it just has like my name. It says makeup artist and Lime Life by Alcone rep. And then my handle for my three main social media accounts, which is at Jami Swan Beauty. It has my website, which is jamiswanbeauty.com, email jamiswanbeauty@gmail, and then my phone number. And so everything is just really all Jami Swan Beauty. It's all listed. And then the front, so you flip it around and it looks like this. And I had this logo made by a friend of mine, and she did a great job, just totally, because I love geometric designs, the gold. Oh, I just love everything that she did with this logo. If you guys want to connect with her, I will post her deets in the description box below. So that is my business card. And then I also got these little pamphlets. It's just a one-sided pamphlet. And what it has my logo up top. It says professional cosmetologist specializing in makeup applications and cosmetic and skincare sales. I also teach one-on-one and group makeup lessons for beginners. So that is unique to me because not every Lime Life by Alcone representative does that kind of thing. Some people are in the makeup artist industry, some people are not. And so then I have my service price list right here, and then a little bit of history about me. It says my journey in the professional beauty industry started in 2004, where I specialized in hairdressing, aesthetics, and gel nail application. After my third son was born in 2014, I found I needed a more flexible change of pace, but knew the world of beauty was where I belonged. This is where the opportunity to start my own makeup business almost literally fell into my lap and quickly evolved into where I am today. So that just gives people just a little quick about me. If they don't know, just lets them kind of know how this all became. And then I have my phone number and all of my contact information down here, so I can hand that out to people when I'm doing makeup applications, or just if I go to any sort of vendor events or things like that, or I could just hand these out into people's mailboxes, whatever. I have them here. They're all marble and all the same. They all flow with my business card. It just makes me super happy. And then I just wanted to try out, you can get pens and all different kinds of things from Vistaprint. So then I just got one of these pens for myself. It kind of has lots of glare. There you can see it's just white and black with my logo on it. Just wanted to kind of try it out, but that's that. And then I got just one sheet. Some of these were all just things that I was trying. So I got a sheet of stickers. Don't mind that black part, that's not in there. But it just has my personal logo on it, so that geometric design. And so I can put these on any bags for orders or anything like that and just personalize it that way. So I was very happy with how those came out. And then I also got these little Post-its that they're just very simple, and they just have my logo up on the top right hand corner, top left hand corner. And so what I have these for is I keep this in, I will keep some in just like my office, and then I'll keep some in my freelancing kit, because lots of the times after I do people's makeup, they'll say, I love this, what is this, what did you use? So I can just write this stuff down so they can go online and order it for themselves. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. So I got these little return address labels here. I'm just gonna block out my phone number. So these are just little stickers here. It has all of my information. It says makeup artist and sales, all of my contact information here. So what I got these for, this is a makeup wipe, and this is what I give all of my clients, like bridal, special occasion. After I do their makeup, I gift them with a makeup wipe to take off their makeup at the end of the night. And so now I have all my information here, just sort of like a little bonus business card almost kind of thing. And so I just really like the thought of that. And last but not least, what I got were these little cards here. And it's just like on cardstock with my logo. And then you open it up and it has this little square space to write your own message. And then the back is just plain. And they came with just plain white envelopes. And so lots of the times, if people want to try some samples or things like that, I send it, and I like to gift it in a little card. So I will put their samples in the little baggies, and I will put a little note here with maybe special, like what each one is kind of about or something like that. And I can toss a business card in there, tell them to get in contact with me, let me know, and I'll probably touch base with them too after a bit to see what they thought of the samples. And so I was very excited about these. I love them too. Oh my gosh, I think that's everything right now, but there is so many things. So when you go to Vistaprint, lots of the times that they will have sales and stuff like that going on right now. They sent me a 20% off discount code, so I will link that in the description box that you guys can use if you're wanting to order anything or check anything out. They have really good deals, like on business cards. Lots of the times if you're ordering for the first time, you can get like 50% off or whatever. And these ones are really cool because they have rounded corners. So I thought that that was really, I like that little extra touch. And then when you go in to checkout, lots of the times it'll say like other items recommended for you, and they'll put your brand, your logo, your colors and things like that that you have already picked, and they'll put it on different products. And it's kind of like a little last minute upsell, but I kind of actually like that because I'm like, oh, look at this. This is kind of cute. I'll try it. So it's different ways that you can buy maybe little gifts for your customers, your clients, or things like that. And so, yeah, that is everything that I got from my Vista haul print this time, and just sort of a little tip on branding yourself, setting yourself aside from your direct sales business or anything similar to a direct sales business, and making it your own and standing out. And so if you guys have any more questions on that, be sure to message in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And you can also head over to my Instagram, which is at Jami Swan Beauty, and connect with me over there because I'm always on there. Addicted to Instagram. Anyways, I will talk to you guys in the next one. See ya.